If you're a fan of sun, sea, and sailing, then you need to hear this. Here's how to buy a yacht in Greece, step by step. First up, know your market. Greece has a plethora of yachts, from sleek sailing vessels to luxurious super yachts. Do your homework, and maybe consult the pros at Grannville Consulting for a smooth sailing experience. Next, let's talk legal stuff. Yep, there's paperwork. Residency status, cruising taxes, and maritime safety standards. Sounds complicated? Grannville Consulting has got your back. Before you sign on the dotted line, get that yacht inspected. Think of it as a really fancy car inspection, but wetter. A thorough survey ensures you're not buying a floating lemon. Owning a yacht isn't just sipping martinis on deck. Maintenance is key. Fuel, crew salaries, mooring fees, it all adds up. But hey, Grannville Consulting can help manage it, keeping you stress-free. Finally, seal the deal. Sign, pay, and register. Easy, right? With the right help, it can be. So, ready to make your yachting dreams come true? With Grannville Consulting, you're just a wave away from owning your piece of paradise.